Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from my secret channel, a faith healer, also Matarider. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 7 hanggang January 13 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasalot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at Makeup Pal. Siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, eto na itong ngayon at bubulabugin natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, this is something the King of Pentacles. So this is something practical and security. So may mga bagay dito na maaaring kailangan maging practical ka pagdating sa pera, no? Kumbaga pangalagaan ang iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. Hindi pwedeng padalos-dalos ka. This is something the Six of Wands for a victory is yours. Ay, maaaring yung on the spotlight, maaaring, kumbaga lahat ng resource of income mo maaaring kumabog, no? Maaaring lumakas, no? This is a tell of something of happiness. Ay, magiging masaya ka, magiging maligaya ka, no? And of course, there's something finances, health, and love life, no? And because this is something the Empress card for revert. Ay, there's something blessing coming in for you. At the same time, guys, no, maaring magkaroon ka ng fertility or pagbubuntis, no? This is something an Empress card for another blessings. This is something a new beginning, no? And this is the Three of Wands. So, waiting for ship. May mga bagay na hinihintay ka, maaaring mangyari at maganap na. No? May mga parating ditong mensahe ng ating mga angel spirit or documents na maaaring makuha mo na, maaaring makakaalis ka na. There's a travel. Additional messages with an angel spirit. So, this is the Three of something celebration. Unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa mga selebrasyon. What is the King of Pentacles? So, represented with the Hermit card. O, spiritual awakening. So, may mga bagay dito na parang napagtatagpi-tagpi mo na, excuse me guys, napagtagpi-tagpi mo na about sa finances mo. No, kung ano yung nagiging kamalasan or maaaring nagbibigay negatibo sa negosyo hanap buhay mo. No, nalalaman mo na kung ano yung mabigat, no? Position, locations, no? So, let's see what is the Six of Wands. Represent what? Maaari kailangan mo magpalit ng mga pwesto, ha? Meron ka diyang mali ng pwesto dyan sa iyong negosyo. And this is something the Queen of Cups, something healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. No? Emotional healing. No? Or either healing for your health. No? Let's see what is the Ten of Cups. Represent with the Justice card. No? Ito yung hustisya na maaaring kumbaga hinantay mo. No? Maging maligaya at maging masagana ang iyong pagsasama. Maaaring pumabor na sa iyong sitwasyon. For the Empress card, represent what? With the Moon card, ito yung pangarap mo, ito yung hiniling mo, maaaring magkatotoo na, maaaring matupad na. Ay. So, the Three of Wands represent what? This is the Emperor, being mature enough and being grounded. Maging mature ka sa mga desisyon, sa mga gagawin mong actions, no? May mga bagay na hinihintay ka. Huwag ka nag-share ng information na hindi mo pa nakukuha isang bagay, no? Para hindi magkaroon ng mga disappointment, no? And of course, let's see what is the Three of Cups. Represent the Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Dapat tingnan mo yung magiging possibilities, no? There is something insecurity sa paligid mo. May mga taong naiinggit behind your back. May mga taong may galit behind your back. Dapat alam mo kung paano mo magiging balance. There is something evil eye, no? May pinabahagi dito na kailangan maging matalino ka na dito this time, no? Hindi ka dapat bibigyan ng mga impormasyon basta-basta na hindi mo na isa sa katuparan. Additional messages with the King of Pentacles and the Hermit card. So, represent with the Ten of Pentacles. So, this is something for long term. Talaga magkakaroon ka financial security and financial windfall. Ay, magkakaroon ka na pang matagalan dito, guys. And of course, may nasa-sense ako na may mana, ha? May mamanahin ka dito. The Six of Wands and of course, the Queen of Cups. Represent what? Represent with the Judgment. No, this is a wake-up call or inner calling. Na you need to pay attention. Kailangan mo na more on herbal, more on, kumbaga, herbal teas, no? Or more on veggies, no? And fruits also. What is the Ten of Cups? Because the Justice card. Represent with the Three of Pentacles. So this is something unity. Kailangan nyo magkaisa ng jowa o asawa mo, no? Hindi pwedeng pagulo-gulo yan. Kailangan meron kayong something na agreement sa isa't isa or something na pagkakasunduan. Ganon. What is the Empress card? Because the Moon card. So this is the Hangman, no? Some of you guys makakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation, no? But this is something unexpected, no? A blessing this, guys. Kaya yun nangyayari yung mga delays na yan kasi mayroon pang bagay na dapat pang maganap, no? What is the Three of Wands? Because the Emperor. Represent with the Four of Pentacles for saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Maging mature ka sa mga bagay-bagay bago ka mag-take ng action, bago ka mag-desisyon, or bago ka mag-share ng thoughts and information, kailangan mong titingnan yung magiging possibilities and outcome, no? Kasi may mga tao dyan sa paligid mo na, kumbaga ito na paalis ka na, tapos biglang magkakaroon ng problema kasi nalaman itong inggitera mong kapitbahay or nalaman itong kaibigan mong inggitera or kamag-anak mong inggitera, no? May mga ganon. So, let's see what is the Three of Cups because the Queen of Swords. So, this is the Eight of Pentacles. Basta mag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo, ganito, ganyan, no? Kasi may mga bagay dito para ma-distract ka no, gagawa ng paraan to para ma-distract ka, para magulo yung eksena mo. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Chariot card. So, there's something in action and movement. No? Meron talagang paggalaw ng eksena at unti-unti na mababago. And this is the Page of Swords, the being curiosity. Kailangan maging mabusisi ka. Kumaga, hindi kasi nakakatalino ang pagiging, tahimik. No? Kailangan maging matanong ka, ganon. And this is something, the Three of Swords. No? Alisin mo yung insecurities mo sa sarili mo. Alisin mo yung pride mo sa sarili mo. Or either, kumbaga yung ego, alisin mo yan. Kasi isa yan sa magiging balakid para hindi mo maisakataparan yung mga pangarap mo. Additional messages pagdating sa finances and career. So this is the Ace of Cups, no? Konektado ang love life and career mo. And this is the Four of Swords, something rest. And kasi sinasabi dito, guys, no, the more na in love ka, the more na confident ka sa ginagawa mo at the same time, kumaga nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin sa trabaho, negosyo mo. One more card, please. So this is a strength card na have confidence. See, I told you. Confidence is your key to success. Now, even sa love life. Pagdating sa love life, anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay? And this is a temperance, a perfect timing for you. There's some solid foundation and solid investment or something na solid relationship, no? Maaring pinatibay kayo dito ng ating mga gabay, no? Mahirapan kayo buwagin, no? And this is something, the Five of Cups. May mga disappointment or something losses. Kumbaga yun yung in-embrace nyo or minahal nyo sa isa't isa, no? Yung even your flaws. May mga pangit sa inyo or mga bagay na hindi man katanggap-tanggap sa iba pero sa inyo minahal yung isa't isa. Additional messages. One more card, please. And this is the Five of Wands. No, maraming competitors. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na parang hindi man gusto ng iba. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga hindi ka tanggap na pamilya, hindi ka tanggap na mga kaibigan, gato ganyan. Maraming mga kakompetensya dito. Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's something that's our moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago magaganap sa health mo na magdadala sa'yo ng something, a changes, no? A miracles. May himala dito, guys, na maaaring mabago. See, this is the wheel of fortune. There's a destiny to happen. Talaga magiging maganda na ang kalusugan mo. You are also a blessed and there's something, a blessing na pagdating sa health mo. Magiging maganda raw ang kalusugan mo. What is additional messages with the magical fairy messages? And there's a love life. See, I told you, malaking factor sa buhay mo yung love life. This is something love life. And there's a new career. Magkakaroon ka rin ng bagong career dito, guys. And this is something walking away. Kailangan mo na makaalis sa unhealthy situation or unhealthy boundaries. No? May mga tao sa paligid mo na negative, toxic, gano'n. Kailangan mong kumawala dyan. Mga inggit, pera, gano'n. Additional messages with the synchronicities. Represent with a mother figure. No, this is something you are also being a mother someday. Or either there's a beauty, no, magiging maganda na ang eksena or situation mo right ngayon. And there's a raven. Oh my God, may aswang. No, may sumusubok sa may bayat doon na, kumaga may sumusubok talaga na siraan ka. No, talagang hinahanapan ka ng butas. Ganun. Additional messages for you ng yung oracle card. And there's a justice will be served. Don't you worry, karma is waving. Talagang binabahagi dito na mayroong karma, no? Maaari makuha mo pa rin talaga ang huling halakhak. No? And this is something losses. I told you, may mga bagay na inaalis sa'yo, may mga bagay na tinatanggal sa'yo. It's an opportunity to appreciate things, ha? Magpasalamat ka kaya inalis yun kasi makakasama yun sa'yo. And this is something life and freedom. Si makakalaya ka na. No, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, ito na maaaring dumating na mga opportunities. Ganon. For our Romance angels, represent what? Represent a relationship reconnecting. Oy, pagdating sa love life mo guys, no, nagkakaroon ng connections na. No, maaaring tinatanggal yun ng insecurity sa isa't isa. And there's a courage. And encourage dito na have confidence, no? Kumbaga, mas lalo nyo na tinanggap yung kung ano man ng mga bagay na meron ka. No, alisin mo yung insecurities, guys. So, let's see what is that angel's answer. Represent what? And there is this situation with the fruit. Unti-unti na makakawala ka sa situation. And there's something better. No? May mas maganda pang dahilan, may mas maganda pang kalalabasan ng eksena na to. And there's a reconsider. I-consider mo yung option or choices. No? Kumbaga may mga bagay dyan na hindi pa para sa'yo. Or may mga bagay na kailangan alisin or lisanin sa'yo. No? Kasi may yun yung mga bagay na makakasama sa'yo or magsisilbing komplikasyon. What is the chakra messages? And there is a victim, no? Maaring biktima ka lang for a negativity. And there is a trickery, no? Maaring maraming manloloko, maaring mga budol, no? Meron papanlin lang dito, guys. And there's a bittersweet, no? Kumbaga may tamis may mga pait na tamis ng tagumpay dito. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Prayer will help you from your situation. Ang pagdarasal talaga makakatulong sa situation mo. And your children are watched over by angels. Now, some of you, kung may mga anak na ginagabayan daw ng ating mga angel spirit, and spend more time outdoors. So, kailangan mong pumunta ng ibang lugar, i-refresh yung utak mo, no? Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a children. Connected talaga yung mga anak mo dito, guys, ha? May goodness. And there's a strength card. Kailangan mo maging malakas, no? And because this is something artist. Oh, it's something drama. No. And there's a something career change then. Additional messages with Archangel Raphael. Ano kaya eksena with the healing? Ano eksena nito? Angel Spirit. Give an information po. And there's a sunlight. Kailangan mo ng magpa-araw. No, kailangan mo ng vitamins ng araw. And this is something second options, no? Para sa buhay or sa nararamdaman mo, kailangan mo ng second opinion. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a change, no? Unti-unti na magbabago, no? At mag-iiba yung mga kaganapan at mapapaganda pa. This is something food with a relationship and health. Na pagdating sa relasyon at pagdating sa kalusugan mo, magiging maganda na raw to. And this is something mirror with a truth reveal. Lahat ng mga bagay dito malalantad na, malalaman mo na. And there's an evolution. Unti-unti na mababago yung sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti ka na mag-a-adjust. What is the Moonology represent what? Nothing is yet set in stone. May mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. And what do you need to release? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong alisin? Yung toxic and negativities. Now, what is additional messages? And there is a fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Natatakot ka dito na may mga masabi yung mga tao sa paligid mo. No? Kumbaga, alisin mo yung mga ganong perspective, guys, no? Kailangan deadma ka sa mga sasabihin ng iba, hindi ka magiging masaya kung nagpapa-apekto sa mga sasabihin ng iba. There's a regret, no? There's something disappointment. Di ba may mga bagay na hindi na natin mababalik ang nakaraan. For the energy represent what? And there's a fifth chakra Archangel Gabriel by intuition. Binibigyan ka na mas matalas na intuition. And there's a fifth chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. No, mas matalas na intuition at binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala para malaman mo ang kahulugan at kahalagahan ng iyong sarili at kalusugan. Ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent with a remember. Soul plan and fated life, destiny life. So, may mga bagay talaga na nakatakdang maganap para sa iyo, para sa inyo, at para sa sarili mo. And this is something the cosmic heart, devotion and moving prayer. So, kailangan mo magdasal, no? At i-surrender sa ating universe, sa ating Panginoon. For the Romance angels, represent what? Represent with make the effort. Na pagdating sa love life, kailangan mo mag-effort. Hindi naman pwedeng pabebe ka, no? Alisin mo na yung ego, guys, and pride. And there's a honeymoon, no? Merong honeymoon daw dito, guys, na magaganap. For Jesus' loving quote said, be of a good comfort, your faith has made you whole. So, magiging buo ka, no? Or maaaring bubuuin ka ng ating Panginoon kung ikaw ay magiging tapat na manlilingkod at magiging tapat sa Kanya. Ganon. For the angels number represent what? For the angels number represent what? 333 for support. Ay, my God. Sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit. Seeing the angels number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talent, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence in thus wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. See? Di ba? Mas palawakin mo yung kaalaman at kakayanan mo, no? At yung mga bagay na magpapayabong sa sarili mo. For messages of life, represent what? And there's a beyond. Talagang pinapakita talaga dito. There's a beyond. Today, I lift my consciousness above all worldly illusions. I remember the power I have in every situation. I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts toward God by focusing my awareness beyond the illusions of material world. I experience simplicity and peace, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon talaga dito ng mas pinili mo yung kapayapaan kaysa pumatol sa mga walang kabuluhan, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo proteksyon at pangalagaan yung sarili mo at alam mo, naniniwala ka na inilalatag at nilalayag sa ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na dapat mong maunawan at dapat mong malaman, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na hindi mo kailangan maging masaya sa mga sasabihin ng iba, bagkus maging masaya ka sa sarili mong pamamaraan at maging masaya ka sa kung ano man ang meron ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 7 hanggang January 13 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapa po na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!